How to create an account in Life360 app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how we can set up our account in Life360. So if you're also looking out on a video, this is the video for you. So let's just get started and look out on how we can do that. First of all, head over and open up the app. You can download it if you don't have one, but if you already have one, you can just open it up and you will be seeing the sign-in screen in your account where we can create an account. So wait for the screen to be loaded up. Once you're here, you will be finding this option called Get Started. Just go ahead and tap on it. And under here, you're going to type in your phone number and continue with the process. Once you've done that, you can enter up your email address here. You can go ahead and type it in here, right here, and tap and continue again. And once that is done, you will be receiving a 6-digit code in your email. You're just going to go ahead and enter it right here and tap and continue. And then you can set up your account here. So you can just set up your account, your first name and last name, continue with the process. And once you're done setting up your account, creating a password and everything, you will be directly logged into the app, and that is it. That is how you set up your account for now by using this application in Life360. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.